With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is, the ionic reactions are usually very fast because. Now, if we take an example of a general reaction, right? Now, suppose we have a reaction where AB combines with C and it leads to the formation of some AC and B, right? This is just a random example to understand the concept of reactions, right? So this is just any reaction that is taking place. So when this reaction takes place, it takes place in two different steps. The first step that it will involve will be the bond breaking of this AB, right? This AB molecule will be broken down, right? So the bond between this A and B will be broken down. That will be the first step, which is the bond breaking. Right, this will be the first step. The second step in this reaction will be the bond formation, right? The bond between A and C will be formed in this case, right? So the first step is to break the bond between A and B, and the second step is to form the bond between A and C. So these are the two steps that are involved in any general reaction, right? But if we talk about ionic reactions, right? In what is happening in ionic reactions? The ions are combining, right? And the ions are in the free state. Right, the ions are free, and especially in the aqueous state, right? Ions are free in their aqueous state. So what happens is that in ionic reactions, the ions simply combine and form a bond. For example, A ion combines with B ion leads to the formation of AB. So basically, the bond breaking step is not even involved in the case of ionic reactions, right? The step of bond breaking is not even involved in this reaction. If we talk about this general reaction, the steps involved were two. But if we talk about these ionic reactions, only the bond formation is taking place. So this reaction can take place in only one step, right? This reaction can take place in only one step. So as the number of steps have decreased, the reaction can be a faster reaction, because this reaction has two steps. First, the bond breaking will take place, and then the bond formation will take place. Whereas in ionic reactions, only one step is involved. Ions are combining and forming a bond. So therefore, these reactions are faster because it is taking place in less number of steps, right? And also because it does not involve bond breaking, a simple bond formation is taking place. So if you look at the options, the first option is that the energy of interaction between charged ions is greater than that between neutral molecules. No, this is not a valid reason. This does not justify our answer, right? Talking about option 2, it says that it does not involve bond breaking. Yes, this is the correct answer, because in ionic reactions, bond are formed. Bond breaking step is not included. Talking about option 3, it says that the number of collisions between ions per unit volume per second are very large. Now, this is an incorrect option, because the number of collisions does not affect the reaction being faster or slower. So this is not the answer. And talking about the fourth, these reactions are highly exothermic. Again, this is not the reason that justifies that why this reaction is fast. This is fast because it is taking place in less number of steps, as no bond breaking is involved here. So the correct answer for this question is option 2. That's all for the question.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.